What is going on, guys? Alan here, and welcome back to the channel and the video before the build. So I've made a couple mentions in a couple videos, couple random videos about, let's get some lights going on in here, about a build for the old Z3 that is sitting over there on the other side of the F-150 on the operational lift. Super excited about this one, guys. This is going to be a detailed set of how-to videos, as detailed as I can make them anyway, without making this whole build series 50 hours long, because I don't want to do that either. But it's just so exciting because this has been delayed for a couple of months now, and it's Michigan, so it's a perfect time for me to build on the Z3 and do what I want to do. My friends over at VF Engineering, man, they have helped me out with putting together the perfect kit for my Z3, and this is what they do. If you have a BMW, check them out. They have supercharger kits that are literally everything you need. And when I say that, I don't mean all the bolt-on parts. This includes the tune. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to go out and buy injectors. They're in this kit. This is the best kit that you can get, in my opinion, for what I'm trying to do to it. And it's complete. So, without further ado, here it is. It's a small box, but hey, let's get into this bad boy and see what we got. Oh my God, what's happening? Thought I was fine. I told you I don't need more horsepower like 3,000 or 4,000 times, but that's a lie. No, I can't look you in the eye. Look what you've done. Look what you've done to me. I've got everything I wanted, but you're everything I need. So yes, I said supercharger. Yes, I wanted to originally turbo this car. There just isn't enough room in the engine bay. Yeah, you could do a tailpipe turbo. I'm not dealing with it. This is going to be the best bang for the buck. This is going to add roughly 101 horsepower. And I can't remember how many pound-feet of torque. 52 or... I don't know. I don't remember. I'll put the specs up on the screen right here so you know. But let's dive into this thing. Yes. Oh my gosh. COVID has definitely delayed this. It did take them a while to get all the parts in order. But I imagined a bigger box, but if you don't need it, you don't need it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Alright, so coming across some merch. Awesome. Nice hoodie there. Guys haven't seen my videos. They don't know that ain't gonna fit me. Looks like license plate frame, some stickers, another t-shirt that's not gonna fit me. Yeah. All right, let's get all this merch out of the way. See what we got. Okay, so here is everything it includes, and we're going to start off with the best. This is the Vortec V3 Supercharger. This is going to run at about 6 psi. Comes with a oil lines, new serpentine belt to fit everything, colder plugs, new fuel injectors, merch, all the hoses and tubing that you need for the intake. And it also comes with this K&N filter here. Pulleys, all the bolts, you know, everything you need to plug this guy in and make it work, and then instructions and a tune as well. Obviously, I just got to figure out how to flash this thing once it's done, but I've got a contact there, so I'll get all that figured out. So, but yeah, this is it, guys. I am super excited. I mean, this is awesome. Look at that thing. Yep. All right, guys, get excited, because this winter the build is on. All right, guys, so real quick, I did receive this page here. There's a couple different ways they can send you the hex flash programming tool, so you can flash it yourself, or mine is check marked. Let's get that in the light. Your ECU must be shipped to VF Engineering for programming. So that's what I am gonna do. After I know that I am not going to move this car for the rest of the winter off of the lift, I will take out the ECU and I will ship it to them. But right now I need to use the lift to change my wife's oil and all that good kind of stuff, because I got a lift now. Why would I want to get on the ground and do all that stuff under a Fusion? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'll send it in, and then they'll flash it, and I will be golden. All right, guys, so sitting here editing this video, realizing that I did not even shoot an outro. So here it is. Hopefully you guys are excited for this build, as I am. It's going to be super, super awesome, and it's actually super, super easy to do. If you're just getting into cars and you want to do an awesome power adder, this kit is amazing. So hopefully you will enjoy this build. And hopefully you enjoyed my little music video in there. Till we meet again, later.